How they get first page rankings with only a few clicks. Hey there. So I don't know if you know this or not, but there is a very highly coveted piece of digital real estate that people would absolutely love to have. I'm talking about they'd sell their firstborn for in some cases. What is it? Simple. It's the first page of Google. To be more precise, it's having rankings on the first page of Google without having to pay for ads. But, trying to get your site listed there for certain profitable keywords in your niche can seem harder than trying to do brain surgery. That is until now. There's a new cloud-based app that's come on the market that makes getting first page rankings super easy with only a few clicks. It's called First Page Ranker and it's head and shoulders above all the other live streaming software that helps to generate first page rankings. You can see it in action at the link in this email, but the beauty of this cloud-based app is that it legally takes advantage of a Google loophole to give you hundreds, even thousands of first-page rankings in absolutely no time. But why not check it out for yourself? Tap the link in description to see it in action.